YouTube channel. Whoa, you know what? Guys, we just decided to, instead of sitting in the house,
we've decided to come for bowling, to play some little bit about bowling.
I don't know if I can do it, but I will just give it a try. So yeah, let's do this. But first of all, guys, please do not tell me that I love eating or something. See how I look so chubby? I'm so chubby. Sorry about the noise. They are trying to make some smoothies for us.
If you love eating, you love eating. Okay?
I don't love eating, okay? I really don't love eating. So apparently, we decided to make some smoothies. So as you can see, mine is here. Whoa, we are at Scoop and Smiles. Scoop and Smiles. Have a look at it. Scoop and Smiles, ladies. This is where we are, and my smoothie is ready because I'm the one who started first.
They are making mine. There's the one making a lot of noise.
Okay. So then, once we're done with this, we are waiting for our
turn.
Yeah, for our turn to play the game. Even though I don't know how it's being played, but I will just give it a try. And as well, we're still waiting for one of my sisters. Okay, she's coming over so that we can do this together. Okay, so as we wait for this, let's wait for his smoothie, then we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna be telling you the taste. Guys, man, we are outside. We have to be with our masks on.
Mask is compulsory at this point. The moment you step out of your house or out of the car, masks are compulsory, so you have to be on our masks.
This place, I'm telling you, this place, in Dubai, with no mask, 3,000 fine. Imagine, 3,000. You can, even you don't want even to calculate the money, how it is. It's crazy. Okay, so just know that. So that's the reason why we have the mask on. And then after that, we will see what's going to happen.
Not the reason, not because of the money, for our own safekeeping. We need to be safe.
Yeah, it's for our own safety, of course.
Yep, despite the fine, you still need to be safe, right? Protect yourself. No one wants to be sick after. Nobody wants to be sick.
Yeah, but I'm sure.
You need to be healthy. You always wish the best for yourself.
Yeah,
and my smoothie is also here. It's right here now. I'm gonna be showing you right now.
Yeah. No, it's fine. He's gonna have his there. Thank you.
So let me show you guys my smoothie. This is how it is.
Here's our smoothie.
Once
from
again,
Scoop
welcome
and
to our
Smile.
channel.
Scoop and Smile. So, let me just taste it first, then I'm going to be telling you guys what's the taste, how is it. I will be telling you. Okay? Guys, it's mango, but I'm telling you the taste is
amazing.
Please, I'll talk to you guys later once I'm done. Guys, remember I told you, we have a sister from another mother. We just had to go and pick her up. Okay, she just came now from work. No resting, we just had to take her. Now we are outside. We are just from picking her up. Then we go inside and do this. Okay?
Let's compete who's gonna win, okay?
My friend, I said I don't know how to do this.
Who knows? I also don't know, right?
I don't know how to do this.
Everything is about learning, okay? We go learn and see who will beat the other. Okay?
Oh my God.
The loser buys dinner.
No, sure.
Oh God.
The loser buys dinner.
No, Khalas, I'm not playing.
Loser buys dinner.
No, it's done. It's over.
The loser buys dinner.
I'm not playing the game anymore, okay? So mine is done. I'm out.
You don't even know me like that. Are you past my time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back.
pick up the leg. Wow, Cheryl! No, this is not fair. Manze, kamoja too. I'll pull up my socks.
My lucky ball.
Oh my God, not every day is Saturday, yeah? Watch out.
0-0 all.
Bring my 2 balls.
Happy this
Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Try this pink one.
Go Lizzie. Go Lizzie. No,
Go Lizzie. Go Lizzie. Go Lizzie. Go Lizzie. Lizzie.
I can do this, right?
Slide it. Come on.
No, let me try this color.
Don't go to the side. Try to go in the middle. You don't have to throw it by all your force. Just a little. No, the middle one.
Oh my God, I'm tired. Only 7?
I need 10. Next to me, 6.
My God, my fingers are paining.
What is pain?
My fingers are paining.
Let's see Cheryl. Come on, go Cheryl.
Go, Cheryl.
Go Cheryl. See. At least one. At least one. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow, 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 that's nice. Yeah, you did it.
Lizzie, you got this. Let's let the ball this side now.
That's the most heaviest one.
What are you doing? Oh, wow. Rachel has passed you. See?
Yeah.
What?
I'm tired.
Wow, Cheryl, she's gonna win this round. Oh man.
She's the one to win.
Oh man. Oh man.
Dina on your side, Mama.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Come on. Oh man, that's very good. Oh man.
All in one shot. Thank you for
What
playing.
about me?
Yeah,
It's done.
Thank you for
Leshan is the winner.
I still won, even though I didn't play the last one.
Guys, as you've seen, let me just put on my shoes and go back home and sleep. I'm tired, I won. You know, this is the feeling when you win this game, okay? My God, I'm the loser, imagine. After all this.
You have to buy dinner.
The loser doesn't buy dinner, it's the winner who buys the dinner. So, I'm good, okay guys?
No
I'm
way.
good. Let me put on my shoes, I need to go home now.